Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create a reference coordinate system in Solidworks. To create it, select the coordinate system and here I'm going to select any vertex point. Let me select this one and now you see that my coordinate system is created, but in case if you want to flip the x-axis and y-axis and z-axis direction, you can use this method. Let me select this edge such that this edge will be along the x-axis, and also you have the flip button to flip the direction of it. And for y-axis, let me select this vertical edge here and I'm going to flip this one. For z-axis, I'm going to select this edge and here also I'm going to flip this one. So this is the easiest way of creating a coordinate system in SolidWorks. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching. For more information, check out the link in the description box.